Hello, wonderful people. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thank you for stopping by. So in today's video, we are making Okpa dioko, Okpa enugu, Okpa night bar. Yeah, I have got 3.5 cups of Bambara nut flour. That is the Okpa flour. And these are the basic ingredients we're going to be using. Okpa doesn't need much, so we're just using 3 basic ingredients, which are the palm oil, pepper. I'm using fresh pepper here, and some salt to taste. I also have warm water, which I'll be using to mix it later. Here is the mixing bowl I'll be using, and into the bowl I will add the flour. And then start adding the palm oil little by little and mix it very well. I'll keep mixing it until I get the color and texture that I want. Keep watching. The oil is not enough, so I'll still add it some more oil. Just a little more oil. The light is not doing justice to this, but the oil is enough. This oil is enough. When I'm done mixing the oil, I'll now add warm water to it. The warm water will help to dissolve it very well. Just add a little at the beginning so that you'll be able to mix it very well without any lumps. This is well mixed now, no lump at all in it. So we'll now add the ingredients we have before adding it more water. I'll add the fresh pepper, the salt to taste, and I'll be adding it additional ingredients. I'm using some seasoning cube. I'm adding it 2 seasoning cube. This is optional. You don't have to add it to yours. After mixing the ingredients very well, I now add more water. Remember, we are using warm water. It is still thick, so I'm adding it more water so that it will not be too strong after cooking. We want a soft okpa, not very soft but not too thick also. And also taste for salt. The taste for salt is okay, but not enough pepper, so I'm adding in some dry pepper. I don't have fresh pepper again, so I'm using dry pepper. After mixing it thoroughly, the next step is to start cooking it. Scoop into your moi moi leaf or plantain leaf. I don't have any here, so I'll be using my moi moi plate. And also, the water is already boiling in the pot. Another trick or how I learned this is that once you scoop it into a plate or the leaf or the nylon you're using, put it straight into a pot of boiling water. So that is what I'm going to be doing here. Once I scoop it into the plate, I'll go direct to the pot of boiling water and put it. And instead, this is done so that the oil will not separate from the from the okpa. This process until I've put all the okpa into the pot. We have our okpa ready. I cooked this for 60 minutes and okpa came out so delicious. So delicious. It's the same with that night mile okpa. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you have watched up to this extent. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your support. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please don't forget to share the video also. And also subscribe if you haven't. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and stay safe. I love you all. Bye bye.